everyone and welcome to today's video. Hopefully this will be the start of some short product test review videos. I don't want to do these 10-minute long full-on detailed videos. You can look into it a little bit more yourself. I just want to show the use of the product and the results that you get. So I'm hoping I'm saying this correctly. It's Gyeon Wetcoat, and basically it's a spray-on sort of protectant, what does it say on it very quickly? Ultimate Super Hydrophobic Spray. Basically that's what it is I use it as a sort of finishing thing after I've done a wash. So I've washed the car, the bonnet now doesn't really have any protection on it. It's just really clean, and what I'm going to show is the sort of properties of this, how the water is hydrophobic on one side of the bonnet compared to the other. So let's cover one side and I'll show you. So it's really easy to use. You just got to make sure the surface is wet, which basically it probably will be after you've done a wash. And then basically just get the bottle and just wisp it, just spray it over the top. Probably don't need as much as that. And then just instantly jet wash it off. Sometimes you can do another quick little mist over again, a little bit more protection. The other way to also apply this is when you spray it on, use your wash mitt, make sure it's covered in water and rub it into the surface, and that way you actually get an even more durable finish. So let's take this side off and let's have a look at the results. So actually, as you can see, this side, the water is sheeting, it's sort of sticking to the paintwork, and on the right hand side, it's feeding really nicely. So you can see how the water is just totally repelling on this side, and on this side, the water is still sticking to the paintwork. So I'll just do the other side, and there you go. Awesome product.